Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to update software on LG 43QNED80. To do it, you need to click on the settings button on your remote, then go to all settings, and now in all settings go to support. Now go to software update, and you can if you don't have any visible here, then you can click on check for updates, and if they are available, it will show you a pop-up window whether you want to install it or not. I've checked for the updates previously, so now I just only see the option to install it, so I'm gonna click on that, then wait a moment. It will take a longer while. First it will download the update, then it will restart the TV and install the update. So I'm gonna get back to you when it's done. Now, after an alert about software update being installed shows up, you can just restart your TV, and after that it should be good to go. So I'm gonna try restarting it through settings, and if I can't, then maybe I'll just do it normally. Okay, never mind, let's just restart it. So I'm gonna click on the power button, and click on the power button again to turn on the TV. You can see that it takes longer to turn on this time because it's applying the update, but it's almost done. And now the TV is on. So it shows an alert that it has been updated. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.